Hey everyone, today we're gonna talk about the procrastination. Like as a person, or you can say as a marketer, we always face this kind of a problem where we will stuck ourselves in the loop of thoughts, and that loop of thoughts lead us to procrastination, where we are not able to understand actually are we actually doing the work or we are just wasting time. And because of that, what happened कि like we start wasting time, and वो एक जो guilt है ना, that make us feel कि we are not productive. And that is the reason today I'm gonna share about how we can break that loop and how we can overcome from the procrastination. So before going to tell you like how we can overcome from the procrastination, I just want to tell you that who I am and why I'm gonna share that with you guys. So hi guys, this is Piyush Mathur, and I'm an entrepreneur who is running a marketing agency, who is also like talk about mental health, and like I'm also a life coach where I can help people about understanding the minor details about their life and how they can actually use the details in overcoming their own loop of procrastinations or anxiety and be a better version of their own self. So we not just talk about mental health, we also actually execute things that will make you a better person. So now let's get started on procrastination. So before letting you know what kind of like how we can overcome from the procrastination, let's understand what is procrastination and how it actually affects us. So as an entrepreneur, like I face a lot of issues while handling my team, while running a business, while talking to the clients, while handling the projects, while working on the projects. I always find myself stuck in the loop of procrastination, and that is like I always start thinking, like I have a huge list of work. How can I do that? And basically, अगर मैं सच कहूँ तो मेरे को उतना टाइम काम करने में नहीं लगता था जितना टाइम मैं ये सोचता था कि यार ये इतने सारे काम है, ये होगा कैसे. And this is the reason of procrastination. When you have a lot of things to do or when you have nothing to do. तो प्रोक्रास्टिनेशन दो ही टाइम पे हम एक्चुअली करते हैं. या तो हमारे पास बहुत सारा काम हो तो वी प्रोक्रास्टिनेट कि यार ये काम होगा कैसे, या हमारे पास कुछ काम ना हो बट स्टिल वी फाउंड आवरसेल्फ इन द स्टक इन दैट लूप ऑफ थॉट्स, and that's happened when procrastination is there. So now when we talk about how we can overcome that, so we're gonna talk about the 5 tips, or you can say the 5 things I use to break my own procrastination. So the first thing is when I'm working on my procrastination, like how I have to overcome my procrastination, I majorly work on the 2-minute rule. Now what is this 2-minute rule? In this rule we will majorly talk about कि मेरे पास जितना भी काम है ना, I will only think for the 2 minutes about that work, and after that I start implementing something. And if I don't start implementing, it means I am stuck in the procrastination. So I break my own self again and again. Doesn't matter how many times I have to try and try to concentrate on that work, but I keep telling myself I have to concentrate on that work instead of thinking about that work. And that's how a 2-minute rule actually works for. Second tip is like break it down. When you have a huge list of the work, so what you can do, you can just break it down into like smaller steps that will lead you to implementation stage. Because when you start implementing something, you feel like you are just completing everything, and that will give you a confidence to actually work on your own self and to actually work on the things which you have in the task list. So I always suggest people to create a task list in the morning or maybe in like a night before your day start. So उस टाइम पे क्या होता है कि you have the whole list now, you can plan accordingly and just give 5 minutes to that planning. कि I have this much of the work and how I have to implement this. Like for example, you are making a marketing strategy for some client. Like as a marketer, I always have to give strategies to the client. So what I do, I create that kind of a strategy, and after that, when I have to implement that, what I do, I distribute the task to my team and for my own self, and I create that kind of a list जहाँ पे मेरे को ये सोचना होता था कि यार मेरे को ये जो टास्क है इनको मैं कैसे बांट सकता हूँ, किसको कितना काम दे सकता हूँ और मेरे को खुद क्या काम करना है, और उसके बेसिस पे आई रियली नो कि मेरे को कब कितने बजे और कहाँ से स्टार्ट करना है. एंड दिस थिंग इज रियली हेल्पफुल फॉर मी बिकॉज आफ्टर दैट I know actually what I have to do, because the major procrastination starts when you think you have a lot of work but you also don't know where to start from. And this segregation helped me know my starting point, which give me a boost and also help me implement my own work. The third thing which definitely helped me, that after creating this task, I uploaded all the tasks in my team group. अब उससे क्या होता है कि you are somewhere accountable because you are posting that thing on the group and you are telling people कि you have to do this job at this much time and there is a deadline for it. Give deadline to your own self as well, because when you are accountable for something and when you have that deadline, आप कुछ भी करके उस टाइम तक उस काम को पूरा करोगे. And share that deadline with clients as well and with your own team as well, because उस टाइम पे you are able to rectify कि अगर मेरे को इतना काम करना है और मेरे को इस टाइम तक देना है, तो how small wins can help me. And just to stay focused, what I do, I use a fourth tip, which is use a timer. Whenever you have to do any kind of a focus task, remember you have 30 minutes to do that task, because you are distributing your task in a small manners. So what you have to do, you have to align your task accordingly. So you have to use Pomodoro technique, but there is a catch. Like I modify this Pomodoro technique in which what I am doing, a 20 minute of focus task time, a 5 minute of preparation time, and the 5 minute of reward time. In the preparation time, I prepare myself for that focus task. And after that, for that 20 minutes, I only work. I cancel all my notifications. I switch off my phone, or you can say you can keep your phone on silent, so you at the end you know कि आपके पास कितने important messages या calls आए. So after that 20 minutes, you can answer them. And for entrepreneurs, you know, like you are not able to switch off your phones when you are in the startup and you have a lot of calls and you have a lot of works to do. But at same point of time, हम उन calls और उन messages में इतना ज़्यादा busy हो जाते हैं कि we are not able to do the focus task. And that's the reason I modified this Pomodoro technique according to my own self, in which because I'm an overthinker as well, तो उस time पे क्या होता था, I'm not able to focus on any task. Like before starting a task, I always give 5 minutes to my own self, where I keep telling my mind कि I have to do this, I have to do this. And after that, I will take a 20 minute of task where I will completing that task, and after that I will reward myself by giving a 5 minute relax time where I will walk, or you can say I will talk to someone on the call, or I will do other tasks which is apart from this focus task. And that's this kind of a loop you can try. And ये चीज अगर आपने like in a day, if you are able to complete your 5 focus tasks, this will be a, you can say, the game changer for you. Because अगर आपने वो 2.5 घंटा या 2 घंटे भी आपने 4 या 5 टास्क के लिए निकाल लिए, तो no gonna can stop you, because apart from it you can align everything to others, but always you need some things to do a focus task where you will talk about creating a new plan, creating a new strategies, or doing your own marketing teams or sales teams data. ये सारी चीजें आप अपने फोकस टास्क के अंदर बड़े आराम से निकाल सकते हैं. Fifth technique, you can say, which helped me to overcome the procrastination, that is, I always enjoy what I will do and I will mark it as a reward for me. Like after doing that focus task, what I do, like I go on a walk, I give myself reward by ordering something for my own self or for my own team. या मैं ये कहूँगा जो भी चीज़ आपको अच्छी लगती है, लाइक फॉर एग्जांपल अगर आपने आज के दिन के अपने फोकस टास्क पूरे करे, तो शाम को यू हैव दैट 30 मिनट्स, mark yourself, you have that kind of a 30 minutes or 40 minutes where you can do whatever you want to do. You can watch Netflix, maybe you can scroll on Instagram, whatever is giving you a dopamine. Maybe you can go in any restaurant and eat the food which you really want to eat. Do whatever you want to do, because when you do this kind of a thing, and in the end if you are not rewarding yourself, then maybe the next day you are not able to do it, or maybe like the motivation keep you stay, or you can say the motivation keep you going, but you are not able to hold it for so long. It's like 3-4 दिन हमारा चलेगा, but 5वें दिन या 6ठे दिन we are able to lose it and we are not able to actually work on it. So these kind of things, like in the steps you have to follow, and when you are following it, I will definitely I'm gonna share my experience here. Like it will really gonna help you guys to overcome your own procrastination. And these are the basic things if you apply in your life, and you will say bye to your own procrastination and you can be more productive in your life. And this is the way an entrepreneur can be a more productive in his own life. So I hope you like this video, and in the next video we will talk more about how we can be the better version of ourselves. And this is just a first video where we are talking about how we can overcome the procrastination, and hopefully if you apply all these things, will gonna help you. And tell me in the comments like if you really wanna like it or not.